Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to fix "This connection is not secure" error in Google Chrome. Encountering the "This connection is not secure" error on Google Chrome can be quite frustrating, and this guide will help you fix it. Step to fix the error. First, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the Google Chrome browser. From the drop-down, select Settings. Then, on the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll until you'll find the Security section and click on it. And scroll down further to locate the Advanced Settings. Find the option Always Use Secure Connections. This is designed to upgrade navigation to HTTPS and warns you about the site that don't support it. Now, we go on disabling Secure Connection upgrade. Turn off the Always Use Secure Connection setting. And head back to the website that was showing the error. To modify the URL, in the address bar, locate the website's URL and find HTTPS. Remove the S from the HTTPS, making it HTTP. Press Enter. By disabling the automatic upgrade to HTTPS and manually editing the website's URL, the website should load correctly without any error. In conclusion, we hope this guide helped resolve the "This connection is not secure" error for you. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!